my name is Chavi. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really interesting because I'm going to show you guys my top 10 products under rupees 500. Yes, you heard that right. My top 10 beauty products under rupees 500. So yes, without further ado, let's get started. So first product is this foundation by Lakme. It's their Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation and this is how it looks. It is a clear glass bottle. So and this is the applicator. I'm not a huge fan of this applicator, but the product is really nice. It's a sheer coverage foundation. I really like this one. I used to use this only before I got my Fit Me foundation. That is 500 se thoda sa zyada, but I really like this as well. Obviously they don't have much shades to offer. That's the thing with Lakme. Like, I don't know why aren't they improving this, but anyhow, this is how it looks. I really like this foundation. This is very light on skin and gives you very dewy finish. So if you like it that way, you can go for this. It is for rupees 475, but right now it is on sale and they're selling it for rupees 332. I will link them all down below. Just go click on the link and just grab them. So next up again, I have a Lakme product and it's their Lakme Absolute Shine Line Eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner. It comes in this plastic bottle. So this is in the shade steel gray, but I also have this in black and golden. These are very pigmented and the wand is beautiful. It's very precise, so you can make beautiful winged eyeliner with this one. These are very pigmented, like you don't have to go on and on and on with this to get the pigmentation. So it's really good. It's for rupees 450, but right now it's on sale again and it's for 292 rupees. So I really like this one. Also, I feel ki if you're using something on your eyes now, like eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara and kajal and all of that stuff, so you should use it achhi quality ka, because you know your eyes are really sensitive. So this is a really good option and also this is very affordable. So I think you should go for it if you are in need of an eyeliner. Next up again, I have a Lakme product. So I have a lot of Lakme products because Lakme makes really nice products and these are all affordable. So next up I have this Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara and this is how it looks. The packaging is really pretty. This is how the wand looks. It is a bit tilted, as you guys can see, so it covers all your lashes and you don't have to go on and on with this in different directions. So I really like this. It's not volumizing, but it is a lengthening mascara, and if you like that tint and lengthen eyelashes, so you can go for this one as well. This was my first mascara, by the way, so you can trust Lakme with your face. Moving on, again I have a Lakme product and I swear this is the last, I guess. So this is the product I'm talking about. It's Lakme Radiance Compact and this is how it looks. Again, the packaging is beautiful, like it's very sleek. They keep it very simple. I like it that way only. But this is how it looks from the inside. It comes with a mirror over here. This sponge, which is of no use, like God alone knows why do they put it, but however, this is the product. You get a lot of product and it's for 155 rupees if I'm not wrong. Yes, it's for 155 rupees and it's a really nice compact. You guys must have seen me wearing this a lot. So again, they do not have a lot of shades to offer. I guess there are only 2 to 3, but compact mein I don't think zyada matter karta hai. So this is how it looks. You don't have to load it on your face obviously, but this is good for your touch-ups and stuff. So next up I have another brand and it is Garnier. Garnier's Micellar Water is just a game changer for me. Like, you guys must have seen me using this a lot. I swear by this and literally it has been the game changer. I really love this product and it is for 349 rupees and it is 400 ml. Like, it will last you long. It also comes in a smaller version, like of 125 ml and it's for rupees 199. So if you aren't sure about it, you can go for chote wala, but I was like, I need this, so I got bade wala only. Okay, so the next product is from this brand called Stay Quirky and you guys, I love this white kajal. I mean, if you ask me, one thing that you should get is this. This is beautiful. It's for 215 rupees. It's for 215 rupees and it's worth it. Like, literally, you guys can see the pigmentation is beautiful. It looks beautiful as kajal and also as an eyeliner. Also, if you want to make your eyes look big na, so you should use white kajal. मतलब एक बार use करके देखो, you will see the difference and they look beautiful. I love putting this. This is smudge proof, waterproof and beautiful. So yes, I think you should get this one. Okay, so the next product is from Maybelline, and this is their creamy matte lipstick. This is how it looks, comes in a sleek packaging like this, and this is how much product you get. It's very nice. The formulation is so good, feels really good on your lips, doesn't make your lips feel chapped, and it is matte, like literally it feels so creamy on your lips but not drying at all, and it is matte. So the formulation is beautiful, the texture is beautiful. I think if you're looking for a good affordable matte lipstick, you should opt for this one, like without a doubt. And it's for rupees 299 rupees, but again it is always on sale on Nykaa, Amazon, or any other website that you see. Right now on Nykaa it is for rupees 200, and also you can get combos, I feel, so वो और सस्ता पड़ जाता है. So please look out for this one. Okay, so the next product is again from Maybelline. It's their Fit Me concealer, and I don't think there's a need to say much about it. Everyone knows it's a beautiful concealer. It's a full coverage concealer, and this is how it looks, and I am in the shade 10 light. Also, I've heard a lot of good reviews about Swiss Beauty concealer, but I haven't tried it, so I will try it and give you my reviews about that. But till then, this has to be my favorite, and if you are looking out for a concealer, this is the one you should go for, no doubt. Okay, so the next product is from Miniso, and it's their eye makeup brushes, and this is how they look. I have a full-on review on this one. I will link the video here somewhere. You guys can go check it out, but this is how it looks. These are a bit small, but doesn't matter, they do the job well. They blend really well, feels really good on your eyes, and these are also very affordable. These are only for rupees 200. Like, if you ask me एक affordable brush set na, this is what it is. Like, this is pretty affordable and really good quality. Okay, so the last product is, like, I'm not sure if you can get it from Nykaa or Myntra. I got it from Store 99 here only, but these are the sponges, and you guys must have seen me using this all this while. Like, I've been only using these sponges. These are really nice, very soft, feel really good on your skin, and they blend really well. Like, they blend beautifully. I really love these sponges, and I just keep washing them and using them. Like, literally I feel कि ये वाले sponges ना are of one time use only, but I've been washing them, using them constantly, and they're working really good for me. So if I'll be able to find the link now, I will link it down below in my description box. You guys can go check it out. And yeah, with that, we're done with this video. We're done with 10 products, and I love each and every product. Like, if you invest in any one of this product now, I assure you that you won't be wasting your money, and these are all very nice. So yes, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, do let me know below that if you want me to make more such videos, like more such under rupees XYZ. So yes, I'll meet you really soon. Until then, goodbye.